Here's the uncomfortable truth about cold calling teams and agencies. The more callers you hire, the less predictable your pipeline becomes. Let me explain and I'll show you the math. I'm Brandon Parker. I've made over 10 million cold calls, and last year our team has closed over $20 million in land deals. So I've seen this problem from every angle. A lot of operators think, why not just hire more cold callers? It seems logical, right? But here's what actually happens. Hiring people, whether you do it yourself or through an agency, feels like control, but it creates the exact opposite, volatility. And volatility is what kills your deal flow and ability to scale. You can train a caller, you can hire an agency, you can correct them, you can listen in, you can update scripts, and that feels safe. But what you can't control is fatigue, mood, follow up discipline, bad notes, inconsistency, turnover, emotional drift. Every caller becomes a new variable. That's exactly why at Land AI, we run a hybrid system. Human callers, warm transfer, AI qualification, clean notes, instant routing to your CRM. Not because humans are bad, but humans can't stay consistent. Here's the part nobody admits. 80% of cold caller leads are tire kickers. So one caller gives you 80 junk leads, 3 callers gives you 240 junk leads, 5 callers gives you 400 junk leads. Volume doesn't create opportunity, volume creates noise. You don't scale by adding labor, you scale by adding leverage. Humans slow down with volume, AI sharpens with volume. Humans drift from the script, AI never does. Humans forget things, AI forgets nothing. Your callers should talk to real sellers. The system should handle qualification, price anchoring, note taking, transcripts, routing, and follow up. Humans negotiate, AI creates consistency.